Yo, check it, this is Dose of Awesome. Welcome back to Gmod Sandbox. Now, I found this really cool space map. So far, it's looking pretty awesome. Hold on, I'm gonna turn on my light, my ring light, if you will. It's not really a ring light, it's a lamp, but fair enough, whatever, you know. Oh, that's a little distracting, actually. Okay, and I'm back. I didn't want to distract you guys. So, I'm going to get right to this. What do I want to do? Do I sell those planes? Whack, aircraft? I think I do. Yeah, I do. Awesome. Wow! I gotta give you props, plane. That's the worst landing ever. I don't care. Terrible plane. We'll try this again. I'm in the wrong seat. Here we go. Can I actually like go out of this planet? Because if this is the whole map, it's really small. Oh my gosh, you can! Oh, and it looks like an actual planet too. Does that mean like I can actually land on these other ones? Whoa! Neat! That is so cool. I don't know where I am anymore. Okay. Oh, wow. That's the ground! Oh! Wow! Woo! Oh, there's an asteroid with a place on it. Uh-oh, I may or may not have just turned off the engine. Okay, I turned it back on. That scared the crap out of me. Wow. Woo! I may have my volume slightly too loud. Little bird. Okay, little bird. Let's see what you can do. Oh gosh, this thing is pulling backwards. What is it doing? Stop doing whatever you were doing. I want to go to this planet. If I can. Apparently I'm a terrible pilot. Eject! Where's it going? It's just kind of flying off into the distance. Oh, it's turning around. I didn't know they could fly on their own. Ugh. And now it's going down. But the propellers are still moving so fast it's going up. Oh, it might just land on that lifeless rock with life on it. No, it went down. It went down to the ground of the down. What's this? Oh, this is that thing. This is the one. I love this one. Can I get in it? Come on, let's go. Yeah. Wee! Oh crap! I hit an asteroid. Asteroids are dangerous. Oh my gosh, I have Five Nights at Freddy's stuff. That's scary, and I don't want to have anything to do with it. Sorry, not into it. I mean, I like the game, but I'm a little wuss, and I'm gonna admit it. For now, anyway. Just for now. I'll be less of a wuss some other day. Just not feeling it today. Gosh, I have a lot of neurotech stuff. Oh! It's a nuclear warhead. I'm gonna drop it. International interplanetary nuke drop. Uh-oh. Nuke! That was weak. Does it really not go off? Like, really? Oh my gosh, I am juggling this nuke with arrows. It's a nuke. I'm doing all this to it. How is it not blown up or something yet? Do something! I hit the nuke with a rocket, and it didn't do anything. Oh, the nuke has left us. It went down here somewhere. There it is. Oh, it's still falling. It's falling. A very rapid amount. Like, it is still falling. Okay, it hit the ground. Crossbow it again? Why no explosions? Oh. Ah! There it went! In any other aspect of life, that is not even remotely possible, I don't think. For a nuke to just blow up by itself in space with nothing. I don't know. I'm not a genius. Look it up. Oh, I thought this was the spawn place. Oh, it is. Okay. Whoa, what? There's water here? Oh, so that's water. Okay. Are the NPCs set to ignore player? I don't want them to ignore players. Oh, that's what that was. Hug me! Come on, do it! Do it! Oh, that did not make him happy. Okay. He was not happy about that. Dang, I have some cool stuff and I didn't even realize it. Oh, he's turning to face me. He can't, like, breathe and think any. Oh my gosh! Whoa, okay, chill, dude. Okay, that was kinda creepy. The heck? Oh, oh. Hello. No thanks. Not a big fan. Dog. That's a robot. Natural disasters. A meteor strike. That's perfect for today's video. I clicked it. Does nothing happen? Is this one of those mods that just doesn't work all in all? I really thought the meteor strike thing would work. Oh! 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 Jeez! Wow, that almost killed me. But it didn't make me take any damage for some reason. A tornado. The tornado killed me very fast. Oh gosh, why'd I put it in spawn? Ah! Look, see, hands off, hands off. It's got me. Utilities, clean up, everything. And then it let me go, so it just throws me into the atmosphere. Natural disasters. There was more. Fire-nado. Oh! Oh, that is cool looking. That is something right there. Wow! Is it dragging my dead body slowly? Wow. Oh crap, I'm in Nick Cloud's butt. That's really okay. Clean up. Ooh. Am I dead? Am I dead again? Yup. Natural disasters, man rain? Like, people raining from the sky. I'm gonna click it a bunch of times. So, it said man rain. I would believe it worked after that meteor strike thing working. Oh! Oh! Ow! His guts are everywhere. Ah! Oh, dead person killed Duelist of Awesome. Oh, oh, listen to their screams. The wine helm screams. Oh my gosh. I probably shouldn't have clicked it so many times. Is that all of them? Nope! Oh my gosh, those people are explosive. I want to catch one. I think that was all of them. Alright. Next thing, natural disasters, earthquake. Okay, nothing too exciting. A black hole? Well, those are all about Earth now, aren't they? No, not Earth at all, but space. Oh, that's a black hole. That is really, really trippy, actually. I'm just going to stay out of this planet. I'm going to turn the light on to show you that I'm not in control. I let go. Look. Hands free. This thing is throwing me around. Hands free, hands free. See, it's throwing me. Oh. Oh, jeez. Okay. I want to clean that up, because that thing is really giving me a headache. And this light is too. Natural disasters. Nuclear apocalypse. Uh-oh. Whee! Oh, the lag. Okay, that's not what I meant to click. You know, it doesn't matter anyway. Last thing. Let's go for lightning strike. I'll do volcano next time I do one of these videos. Oh, first. Okay, that was really loud. Okay. Whoa! Is that a lightning cloud? Well, this has been Duels of Awesome. I bid you guys farewell. I will talk to you later. Duel to the darkness, my friends. Peace.